Hello, Mrs. Lee is going to show you how to make origami jack-o'-lantern. Okay. And first, you place the orange paper. This is just a orange copy paper, but you can also use orange origami paper if you have it at home, or even Halloween wrapping paper if you have something like that. Okay? But they all need to be square. Okay, now place it on your desk, square like this. And first, you match the top and bottom two corners and fold that into half. Okay, and then fold it again. You match two corners. Fold it again so that it will go back to the square. Okay. Oh, by the way, if I'm going too fast for you, you can always pause the video or rewind it if you want to. Okay. And open it. Okay. Turn the paper a little bit so that it will sit like a diamond shape. Now bring the top, the bottom tip to the top, match the tips, and hold it with one hand. With the other hand, smash it down and fold it into triangle half. Okay. Now do the same thing again. Bring the right bottom of the triangle to the left bottom of the triangle. Match the tip and then fold it into half. All right. Okay. Now we open this again. Okay. Now let's put this back into a rectangle. Okay. And then can you have one side, right or left, it does not matter, stand up like that. Okay, so it will be one half is on the table, on your desk, and the other half is standing up. Okay, now get your index finger ready, okay, and then have the left hand hold the bottom part, okay, and the right index finger goes right into that very corner, that corner right here, okay, just put your finger right into it, okay, and press it down so that it will turn into a triangle. Okay. Now turn the whole thing over, okay, hold that end, have this square part come up, okay, like a chimney, okay. And then get your right finger ready again. We're gonna aim for that corner, okay? So put your index finger right in here, push it down and close. And then you will have a triangle again. Okay. All right. Next, we'll put this, there's double layer tips, top and the bottom. We'll lift up the top tip of the triangle and bring it up to the center line, that top right here, the big top of the big triangle, and then fold it like that, okay? You will do the same thing again from the left. And fold it. Okay, next, that's right, you guessed it. Turn it over, do the same thing. Bring the tip and fold it, matching the center line right here. This is the fourth time, doing the same thing. Here we go. All right. All right, next, we will bring the side tip over to the center line so that it will be like that, okay? And do the same thing from the other side. So it will look like this, okay? And then you turn the whole thing over. Yep, you guessed it right. You do the same thing on the back too. So you do this 4 times too. Okay, got that? Okay. All right, when you pick this up, you notice one end is all closed up. Okay, the other end has flaps like that. Okay, we're gonna work on those flaps. Okay. Now take one flap. It does not matter which one. It does not matter. There's 4 flaps. You can start with any one. Take one and fold it up against that shape, that line right here. Okay? And then we're going to fold it again. Fold this up against that line right here, like that. Okay? And see, there is actually a pocket hiding in here. Okay, can you see the pocket? It opens up like a pocket. Okay, and then we'll hide that little shape that we just created inside the pocket so that it will stay. Right, now I'll do the same thing again on this side. Fold it again up against that diagonal line and open the pocket. Hide that little part inside the pocket. There you go. Okay. And you turn it over. You do the same thing again. You do this 4 times. Hide those parts into 4 pockets. There you go. Go in there. Okay. Here we go. This is the last time for me. Okay. Hide it in the pocket. There you go. Okay, that's the end of folding. Now we have to blow it up so that it will become like a balloon. Okay, to do that, you look at this side and you notice it's closed up. The tip is closed up. But the other side, you see a little hole. Bring it closer. You see the tiny hole? Okay, you blow the air right into that, just like blowing the balloon. Okay, let me just blow that up. Okay, here we go. Now, it might take a little bit of adjustment with your finger to make it into the right shape. Okay, here we go. So that's the hole that you just blew the air in. Okay, and so that was the puffed up balloon. You're gonna turn this into a jack-o'-lantern. So, and I gave your teacher this little bitsy green piece. If you want to, you don't have to do this, but if you want to, you can make a stem. So fold that end of it a little bit, like that. Can you see it? And then take a glue. Perhaps the liquid glue will work better, just a tiny bit. Okay, just put a dot of liquid glue and put it right by the hole. Okay, right there. Like that. Okay, and it will take a while for this to get dry and strong. But when you do that, don't close up the hole that you put the air in, because you might have to blow the air in again. Okay, so don't just cover it up with the green paper. And then, see, there are clean sides and the folded line sides. Okay, there's two clean sides here and here, and then two folded sides here and here. So pick one of the clean sides, and you just take a Sharpie or black marker, and you just draw the jack-o'-lantern face however you like. Okay, just design it however you like. Hey, and that is your jack-o'-lantern. Okay. Now, you can change the size into a smaller one. This tiny one does not have a stem. You can go with or without stem, and you can make that into like small, medium, and large, and depends on the size of the square paper you start with. Okay, so that's it. Have fun and good luck.